Hi guys, welcome to this video about the replacement batteries for the LG G5. I've already bought two of them, and yeah, why am I doing this video? You will see a lot of people are not satisfied with LG G5 replacement batteries, and I've bought two of these in the meantime, and I'm actually pretty happy with them, but there is some difference and I will show you how it is. So first thing I bought is this green one. That's the Get Full, strange name, Get Full battery. They give you even the production date on the on the battery, and they have quite some good reviews, and you can see when you see 73% 5-star, only 16% 1-star. It's a little bit more expensive than the other one. The other one is cheaper. The one which I've recently bought is only 9.55, and it has not so good reviews. It has a lot of 1-star reviews, a little bit more 5-star reviews, but still looks a little bit doubtful. When it comes to reviews, I always check like this. I click here, see all reviews, then I go down and I search for most recent, and when you go to the one that's the cheap one which I posted just recently, when you go to the recent reviews, you see that most of them are pretty good. They still have some short life. Okay, yeah, I cannot confirm, but yeah, you see it's definitely better than the overall review what you can see here. When we do same thing with the more expensive battery, we go to the most recent, would say really close. I don't see major difference. It looks like I mean, these are not premium, probably not premium batteries, and if you're not careful, it could happen that you destroy. I mean, yeah, when you are doing silly stuff with the batteries, not fully charged at the beginning, and leave them overcharged, whatever. I mean, it shouldn't be possible, but when you leave it always on 100% for a long time, it's not good. So you still can do some harm on batteries, but maybe there are some batteries which come out of the manufacturer from the manufacturer which are not good. So anyway, I don't see a major difference. For me, my experience is this. I was more happy with this one, with this battery, because the green one, this one here, let's go back, the Get Full for 16.99. It's doing well. I mean, I've been using it since a couple of months, September, all the time till beginning of December about, and I had some problems at the beginning. So it was not charging well. It was losing really fast the capacity. It was going down pretty fast, and so I kept charging and discharging, charging, discharging, not having it always on charge. I really was using it and cycling it, and after maybe fifth or 10th time, it was like the original battery. Really, I haven't. I mean, at the moment, I can't find any difference between this one and the original one. But the difference with this one, the cheap replacement thing, this thing worked right from the beginning. It was much better than the Get Full battery, This one worked way better for me. It worked right from the beginning. It came about 80 or 90% charged, and I then fully charged and started using, recharged, using, and so on. And it looked like from the beginning, it looked like an already used battery. I mean, not in a bad sense, in a positive sense. Like it was like used to this charge discharge cycle, and I didn't have the impression that it was not charging 100% or losing power faster. So this is the best. I mean, or the better battery, definitely. It's not even $10. So from my side, I would definitely buy this one again. I mean, it's just my personal opinion. I'm not affiliated with them in any kind. I'm not paid for the review. I paid full price for these both batteries, but this one just worked better for me. I will check on the long term, of course. Maybe after half a year or a year, it will be different. Maybe this one will die and the green one will be still okay. I don't know, but let's see. I will test this also for quite a while, like the green one, maybe then moving back for a while, and yeah, just see how this really works. But at the moment, if you ask me which one is the best, I would go for this one for 955, and I'll put down the link to this battery into the description that you can order it on Amazon right with this link. So I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.